Hello there, so today we are reviewing this kind of ballpoint pen cartridges, okay? This is a box full of 20 individual ballpoint pen cartridges here. So this box arrived like a few days ago. I had to restock my cartridges because I've already almost emptied out the other one. What do you have here? You have like single individual cartridges like this, okay? Just like a tattoo needle, like a cartridge needle, okay? For this, in order to use, you just need to clip it like this, okay? And just pull here when it says open. It's quite easy to understand. Pull this here and then you have like the cartridge itself. Here I've used this just like for the whole month, really. That's why I'm already emptying this other box here. I just have like a couple of them, like 4 of them, really. This kinda handles like a few drawings, if you might. Also, it really depends on how much black do you pack into your drawings, obviously. But if it's like somewhat balanced between darks and highlights, I guess one single cartridge would last you at least like on average, like at least like 2 drawings, maybe eventually 3. But at least 2 drawings, yeah, you can handle it. So, besides that, what I have had like a good experience with this kind of cartridges here. Honestly, it was like just like 1 or 2 that went a little bit. I don't know what happened with it, but they simply didn't work at all. But other than that, the majority of them, they all worked fine, perfectly fine. So don't have that much to complain. Also, it's pretty cheap as well. It's like around 16 euros for the whole package here for the 20. So it's way less than €1 per unit here, and you can have like a great time dealing with this. Practicing also, it's a huge thing to practice tattooing for those who are starting out and doing their first steps on tattooing. This is a really good way to enter this world because it will let your hand like feel a little bit lighter than it really usually is. So yeah, I guess this is a really cool entry point to start tattooing, in my opinion. I just use it just because I found this could be really fun to do, like to create some content, to design some stuff using this kind of product here, like using a regular tattoo machine and just attaching it to a tattoo machine. For instance, for example, like if I pick here my Dragonhawk Year of the Horse tattoo machine, okay, I just turn it up, that's fine, and I pick one cartridge just like I have already opened, like this, and just assemble it like a regular needle cartridge, okay. For this, you should use your machine in the lower stroke setting that you can. In this case is 2.5 millimeters. The voltage, I would recommend using around 5 volts. Eventually you can go further to 6 volts, but not that much than it, for me at least, for what I've experienced. And it's as simple as this, okay? You just pick it up, turn in and off, and that's perfect. So honestly, I haven't tried any other cartridges, or well, I have tried other cartridges, but it wasn't that successful because the ones that I had before, I had them like for a couple of years now, so the ink was completely dried out. And these ones, at least, they are pretty decent, okay? They are kind of cheap, they came from Amazon, so it's quick, it's really fast to arrive, and well, it's been a really great experience to work with them. I guess eventually I'll receive some other cartridges from other brands, and I'll also do a little video reviewing them. But for now, I just wanted to make my point here about these cartridges. I'm not being sponsored by the company, so I bought this as a Solong, the brand. It's like a Solong, but if you check their website, you don't see this there. I don't know why. However, if you check here, it says like it's owned by Stigma Industry. Stigma, it's another brand of tattoo products, so honestly I don't know if they are from Stigma and after that Solong buys them and just rebrands it, but well, they are just, the brand here at least says Solong, and I bought it from Amazon. And what matters really, it's that they are right, they are really trustworthy from what I experienced. So in a box of 20, I just had like 1 or 2 that simply wasn't working properly, but other than that, really nice experience. So I hope you liked this really quick video here, and if you want me to try to review any other product, just just comment, and I'll try to do my best about it. Also, if you want to do live streams every day, so check them out also. Using these products, using the tattoo machine and these specific cartridges. So if you want to see them in action, just check my live streams. Or you can subscribe, and then as soon as I go live, you'll receive a notification. So thank you very much for being there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.